In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Yahoo customer service quickly and easily, even if you've never done it before. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail homepage. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the Help or Support link, usually found at the bottom of the page or under the menu icon in the top corner. Click Help to open the Yahoo Help Center. Here you can type your question or issue into the search bar. For example, you can type "can't sign in," "forgot password," or "account problem," depending on what you need help with. After searching, Yahoo will show suggested help articles. If none of them solve your issue, scroll to the bottom of the article and look for Contact Us, Chat, Get More Help, or Talk to a Live Agent options. Next, choose how you want to contact support. You might see options like live chat, email support, or requesting a callback from Yahoo agents. Select the method that works best for you. For live chat or callback, be ready to explain your issue clearly and have your account information handy so the agent can verify your identity. If Yahoo offers email support, type your message explaining the problem in detail. Include your username, what happened, and any error messages you saw. Then send the message and wait for their reply. If you don't see the contact options immediately, try narrowing your search term or selecting a specific topic in the Help Center. Sometimes the contact links only appear under certain issue categories. And that's how you contact Yahoo customer service. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.